Siah is a highly popular American YouTuber, content creator, and music artist who rose to fame as a prominent young social media personality. Siah has two younger siblings, a sister named Melly and a brother named Major, both of who frequently appeared alongside him online. Siah's journey in the public eye began through his parents' channel around 2016 when he was just 3 years old, appearing in family videos like Meet Our Son and various lighthearted family challenges. His channel primarily focuses on family-friendly entertainment, including comedy skits, DIY project, reaction videos, and fun daily challenges tailored toward a young demographic. Popular videos include music tracks like School is Out, tens of millions of views, and various challenges prank style videos. He has expanded into music as a young artist, releasing positive unbeat tracks and videos. He is known for his energetic personality, family oriented content, and entrepreneurial vibe from a young age. His content appeals heavily to younger audience and families. His appearance are Billy and Evany, who manage the PEAM Squared channel. He has siblings named Melly and Major. Family participation is a major part of his content, which help boost his visibility as a young creator. He is often described as a silent entertainer with a cheerful, energetic style that appeals to younger audience and families. His music and videos have made him one of the more recognizable kid YouTubers from the United States. His real name is Messiah and Siah is the nickname he uses publicly. He was introduced to YouTube at a young age through his family content and later became the focus of his own channel.